Want to dominate Amazon in 2025? The best way is to learn from last year's top sellers. In this video, I will guide you through top 5 most searched Amazon items in 2025. The first category is home and kitchen. This category accounted for 35% of top sellers in 2024. The biggest winner was Stanley's stainless steel quencher, over 1.6 million units sold last year, peaking at $6 million in monthly revenue during holiday season. Next category is beauty and personal care. With 26% of sellers, this space saw Mighty Patch eye pimple patches top the list. 2.5 million units moved in 2024 with a strong sales bump in December. Next category is clothing and accessory. From Hanes sweatshirts to classic clocks, the bestseller was Hanes fleece sweatshirt, steady ups and downs all years, but it rode on March spiked to number one spot. Next category is toys and games. Sashibo's shape-shifting boxes stole the show, earning $5 million monthly and surging in the final quarter. Finally, health and household category has Bounty paper towels dominated, outpacing toilet paper and trash bags with consistent sales and a month unit count in high six figures. And those were the 5 most searched Amazon items in 2025. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.